Vitamin C is an essential nutrient for our health. It provides us with an antioxidant defense fighting free radical damage to body cells and tissues. Vitamin C is a water-soluble vitamin. Vitamin C is an essential nutrient as our bodies cannot make vitamin C. Vitamin C is found in citrus and other fruits and vegetables, also available as a dietary supplement. Vitamin C is an essential nutrient involved in tissue repair, collagen formation, and producing certain neurotransmitters such as dopamine, norepinephrine, and epinephrine. Vitamin C also works as an antioxidant to protect body cells from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. Vitamin C quenches and neutralizes free radicals and inhibits body cell damage caused by free radical attacks. Vitamin C helps heal cuts and wounds, helps keep blood vessels firm, and protects us from bruising.